In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Outlook web calendar to Google Calendar using an ICS link. To get started, open Outlook on the web and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're in, go to the settings area and look for shared calendars. This is where Outlook lets you manage calendar sharing options and create a link that other calendar apps can use to subscribe to your calendar. In this section, find your calendar's ICS link and copy it carefully. The ICS link is important because it acts as a live subscription feed, which means Google Calendar can pull in updates from your Outlook calendar automatically over time. Be sure to copy the full link so it works properly when you paste it later. After you've copied the ICS link, open Google Calendar in a new Chrome tab. Keeping Outlook open in one tab and Google Calendar in another can make the process easier, especially when you need to switch back and forth. Once Google Calendar loads, give it a moment to fully display the sidebar and all of your calendar options. On the left-hand side of Google Calendar, look for the section labeled Other Calendars. Next to that label, you'll see a plus sign. Click that plus sign to open the menu for adding another calendar. This is the starting point for bringing in calendars from external sources, including Outlook. At this stage, you'll be ready to continue the import or subscription process using the link you copied from Outlook. A helpful tip here is to make sure you're adding the calendar to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one account in Chrome. It's very common to be signed into multiple profiles, so double checking now can save confusion later. Also keep in mind that when you subscribe to a calendar through an ICS link, changes may not appear instantly. Google Calendar usually refreshes subscribed calendars automatically, but updates can sometimes take a little while to show. That delay is normal, so don't worry if you don't see every event appear right away. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have everything set up and ready for the next part of the process.